Did you know that ceramic is a safe material, plastic-free and completely recyclable? It is hygienic and hypoallergenic, does not retain dirt or bacteria, and is completely odorless. A ceramic floor is long-lasting, easy to clean, and always like new. Ceramic does not burn, and in the event of a fire, does not release substances that are harmful to people or the environment. Ceramic does not change shape nor freeze, and is resistant to the most aggressive chemical detergents. Ceramic is versatile, ideal on floors and walls, countertops and tables, and available in many sizes and surfaces. A ceramic floor is stable and can be easily, skillfully installed in shops, offices, restaurants, and surfaces of all kinds. Ceramic respects the environment and our health because it is produced in accordance with the most stringent European and American standards. But above all, ceramic is beautiful because it is authentic, capable of giving style and value to any setting. Ceramic, a safe choice.